Be very careful as you watch this video because you could lose control of yourself. The real mental ups and downs are happening with Ripple. Billionaire investors have joined the Ripple market, but it's not clear what they're doing. A lot of people think that goal is to destroy Ripple, but is that really what they want to do? Maybe we could get rich if we fully understand everything. That could be the moment that changes your life. Do not miss a single second. Nota bene, in the world of cryptocurrencies, whales are people or businesses that hold a lot of certain coin. They have a lot of that coin that they might be able to change the market by buying or selling large amounts of it. When whales do big things like sending or putting huge amounts of a coin to exchanges, it can mean that the market is about to do something. The fact that 50 million XR peoples are being traded could mean a number of things in this case. It's possible that whales are getting ready to sell their XRP, which could make the price drop. As we saw when the price of Bitcoin dropped 15, this quick change can sometimes mean that people don't trust the market or are planning a move to profit from price changes. The question is why whales would trade such big amounts of XRP Bitcoin. There could be more than one reason. They could be looking to take advantage of volatile markets, move money between exchanges to trade, or even get ready for big changes in the market by carefully placing themselves. In terms of the Bitcoin crash, one reason could be that an ETF tied to Bitcoin was turned down. You can buy and sell ETFs on regular stock markets. They are investment funds that follow the price of an asset, in this case, Bitcoin. If a Bitcoin ETF were to be approved, it would be easy for both large and small investors to buy Bitcoin through regulated markets. This could make Bitcoin more popular and raise its price. People may have lost faith in the market after an ETF for Bitcoin was turned down. Different coins, including XRP, are being affected negatively. When Bitcoin's price goes up or down a lot, it often causes the prices of other cryptocurrencies to drop too. Because Bitcoin is the market leader in cryptocurrencies, all of these things are linked. Its moves tend to affect how the market feels as a whole. So the flow of XR points by way, the price of Bitcoin dropping because ETFs were turned down, and the following drop in the prices of other cryptocurrencies like XRP are all linked events that show how complicated and dependent the cryptocurrency market is. Have you thought about how whales might be able to change the value of Ripple coins? Does this mean that our favorite coin is about to fail, or are we not getting what's going on? As you may already know, whales often have insider knowledge about events that affect certain cryptocurrencies because they have such a big impact on the market as a whole. Think about this. The whales have the power to hurt a coin if they want to. They can cause real confusion or, in this case, a small panic. Regardless, let's look into this situation anyway. It looks like two big deals happened not long ago. A huge number of XR Ripple coins had to be moved to Bitstamp and Bitso, two cryptocurrency trading sites. When these deals took place, they were worth a lot of money. One was around $15 million and the other was minty $1 million. The transactions on the blockchain were made by some anonymous wallets. However, it looks like these wallets are linked to Ripple Labs, a large banking company that works with XRP pre. Now, why did these big deals take place? It looks like these wallets were used by Ripple to get ready to sell a lot of XRP coins. But now comes the fun part. There are two cryptocurrency platforms, Bitstamp and Bitso, that work closely with Ripple. They use RippleNet, a system made by Ripple that uses XR points to make cheap and quick payments around the world. Because they use XRP for these unique types of payments, these cryptocurrency platforms need to always have a lot of it on hand. When Ripple sends a large amount of XR to these exchanges through its wallets, it's likely to make sure that these exchanges always have enough XRP to handle the types of payments that Ripple's technology enables. If these markets don't have enough XRP on hand, it could slow down or even stop these quick and cheap payments, which would be bad for Ripple's goals. XRP's price may change quickly after these kinds of moves. It can be scary when a lot of XRP is moved around, especially when it's being sent to markets to be sold. It's possible that they believe there is an abundance of the coin, which would cause its value to briefly drop. But if these trades make Ripple's technology work better in the long run, it might be good for the value of XRP. May sound like this is hard to understand. Use some examples to make this easier to understand. Let's say someone wants to buy Ripple on the Bitso cryptocurrency market but finds out they can't. That's not good because people might choose another cryptocurrency instead of going to a different one if they can't buy a certain one on the market they like. What this means for Ripple is that they lose a possible buyer. People tries to make sure that its coins can be bought and sold on a number of different markets so that everyone can get them. Will there be enough coins for everyone though? Let's get started. XRP coin doesn't have an unlimited amount like some other cryptocurrencies. The company that created XRP, Ripple, made a huge number of 100 billion XRP coins. But here's the catch: 5 billion, 500 million of those coins were put in trust, which works like a bank account. This helps keep track of how many coins are in the market. This is how it works. Every month, Ripple takes a certain amount of XRP out of this account. They use the XRP that was released to run their business, form relationships, and keep the market stable. What does this matter? Will Ripple only make so many coins, so they will run out at some point? The price of something tends to go up when there aren't enough of it to meet demand. It's like how people who have something rare might not want to sell it for a low price. The price keeps going up though. Because of this, if there aren't many triple coins available and people want them, the price could go through the roof. This is because people who already have coins might not sell them until the price goes up even more. The price of XRP changes a lot on the market because of supply and demand. It sounds good, doesn't it? There's another reason though why experts are so excited. Allow me to explain. It is important to keep in mind that a rising market is coming. A bull market means that the general trend of the market is up and prices of many cryptocurrencies such as XRP and Ripple are likely to go up. A lot of people get excited about this and want these coins. Professionals talk a lot about how the price of Ripple could go up. Some are saying that XRP could hit $2,000 or more this year, which is a very big claim. But let's think about a more reasonable goal. XRP could go above its previous high of almost $4. A lot of people in the crypto world are talking about this idea. With the help of crypto exchanges and big buyers called whales, this goal might not be too hard to reach. Some people even think that $4 is too little for such an interesting coin because they think things could change soon. Experts say to buy Ripple now while it's still worth less than